Hello everyone, and today in this video I will show you how you can import VDBs in Unreal Engine and how you can use it in your projects. And in the past we had to create our shaders manually by creating heterogeneous volumes, but not anymore. We have a plugin to use in Unreal Engine and you can import VDBs from any other software and you can have all the shaders already pre-built for you. So we don't need to create the manually anymore, and this is the easiest way you can import VDBs in Unreal Engine and you can use them. So first what we need to do, we need to install the plugin which is Zebra AI, and it gives you the advantage, it gives you the freedom to import your VDB and have all the shaders already pre-built for you. And then we will tweak some parameters to change the VDB, to redirect the VDB, and we can have anything we want with that VDB. So let's see how it works. First, what you need to do is go in Fab and search for this Zebra AI, which has the plugin for the VDB compression, and go in here and save this, install this plugin in the Unreal Engine in your engine. And I guess it's rather easy, just save it in your library and go there, just install the plugin in Unreal Engine. And when you have your plugin installed or saved in the library, what you can do is import in the project you are currently working on, and you can go in edit plugins, search Zebra in the plugins, and you will see this Zebra VDB. Just toggle this on and you will have your Zebra VDB installed in Unreal Engine. But first, before we can use this, we need to have the license key. What you need to do now, go to the Zebra AI, their website, and click here, see pricing. And when you click on this, you have this personal license you can use, and just click on get free license key, and you will have your free license. Put your email here and toggle this on and submit. You will get your license key in your email. Just copy the license key and go back in Unreal Engine, go to edit, project settings, and search for Zebra. You will see you have this license key option. Put your license key here and you will have your Zebra plugin initialized. Now let's talk about the VDBs we will import in Unreal Engine. And for the VDB, I'm choosing this smoke simulations I created in Houdini a while ago. And you see I have exported this in the VDB format. So the exported cache is in VDB and we can use this smoke cache for our VDB import. So for the VDB, I have the exported VDB smoke simulation from Houdini I created. I have these files, these frames, and I have created a folder in my project window for the Houdini project, and I have copied the VDB into this folder. So I have a separate folder for my VDB cache. This is my smoke simulation VDB files. And go back in Unreal Engine. What you need to do here, go to tools and you will see the Zebra VDB option here. And what you have to do is you can import a Zebra VDB file, and this Zebra VDB file is converted VDB into a Zebra VDB format. But we won't use this. I want to use my own VDB sequence. So click on this import open VDB sequence, and you have to choose the file path first. And I have already have this file path, which is the sequence I have exported, and you have to click on the first file and it will import all the the sequence in Unreal Engine. And you can give this your own path in the content browser, and you can increase the quality, but 0.6 is fine for now, and you can increase it to 1, so you can have the like best quality you exported from. And you have to now compress this, so it will compress it in the Zebra VDB format, and you can then uh, import it directly into your scene. I have already done this, and I have this. You will see something like this in your content browser, and what you can do, just drag and drop. You will see your VDB sequence in your scene, right? This is looking distorted because you see it is not aligned properly. So I can rotate this -90, and you will see now it is aligned perfectly. So what you can do, the best part here is you have all these parameters already like made for you. What you can do now, you have the density scale. You can increase the density of your smoke. First, the temperature scale is for the fire. Is for fire is for the temperature. Smoke, we have the temperature attribute, but we in Unreal, temperature is like the fire shader. So what you can do, just turn this 0, and because we don't have fire here, it's just smoke. But if you have fire, you can play with this and you can have your desired results. And now I want to like increase the density so we can see our smoke better. We have something like this. This is our scattering color. So if you change this, you will see your smoke color change. You can change it to any color you want, red, white, any color you want. For now, I want this white. Or I can do this slightly grayish, and you can play with the flame scale. We don't have a flame right now, so I don't need the flame scale. We have the illumination and we have the shadows. If you enable or disable your shadows, you will see the effect, but we want shadows, and we have the project shadows, and enable this. And what's the main thing here, you have all these illuminations. When you decrease the illumination, you will see like your color, your smoke converted into a flat simulation. But we want some like shadows and volumetric effects here, so you will see something like this. And you can increase or decrease the point light brightness. This is like a light passing through the smoke simulation here. You can do this, and you have like many options here. But for now, I guess this is it for my smoke, right? I can increase or decrease the color. For now, I can make this like less dense, right? And I will see something like this. Or I can decrease the directional light brightness. You will see you will have something like this. If you want this chimney smoke, I will suggest you like decrease its color, make this a bit grayish, so you will see something like this. But for the directional light brightness, you can increase this and it will be like a chimney smoke or something with more whitish element. And I have already tweaked this these some settings, and I have this smoke, right? This smoke, I have changed the frame rate to 18 frames per second because that is going so like really fast, and I wanted it to move slowly. When I exported this smoke from Houdini, the frame rate was 30 fps, so I have to change the frame rate there. But for this, I guess this is perfect, and I have changed some settings. You see my shadow intensity is 0.5, and you see my directional light brightness is 2.5. So you can play with this color. The scattering color is slightly grayish but not black. And if you want to make this huge, what you can do, you can just scale this and you will see your smoke. And I have imported this chimney, this tower I created in Maya, and you can use this by as your objects from the smoke is coming from, right? And I guess this is how you can import your VDBs in Unreal, and this is the easiest way you can import it. And if you have flame, you can change, you can play, you can art direct your flame simulation by this flame and temperature scale. So I guess you understand this concept because it's not that difficult, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care.